get out of bed. Didn't you hear what they said? They said to